Mentri badai pek ya katna District Council Affair ba ala kemen remboi ula Kyntu ya ki Tylli ki District Council haka jela baki dei ban Phah no ya ka Kaiphot shaka Controller and Auditor General namar balada kindang slam klempep kane kan kta ya ka jingwan kamang pisa shaki District Council haka jela habia keren bat kilat pathai khubor uba remboi ula ong ban nakaliang ki Tylli ki District Council kimpat la ban Phah ya ka Kaiphot halor ka jingkhen jingdia kumbala batha da ka Controller and Auditor General bat nagaliang ka sorkar kandang ap Iaka ne uba rembui ulong ba ka ba ka CAG kalabatha ka dei ban longkat kum ka kendon namar ba omtang ka District Council hanrei wat ka sorkar jelaru kan hap ban ra ya ka Kaiphot hapo ka ying dorbar jongki.
See, from this Council Affairs Department, we have always impressed upon this Council to have, as I said, the streamline the financial management. Even in CAG report also, it is impressed upon these councils, they should have the proper financial management. So, and they have only, some of these councils, they have tried to meet many of the observation of the CAG in the past. I hope that in the present instant case also, they will try to meet those observation as much as possible, so that the problem of accounting in the future will not be clear, and the problem of accounting also will become transparent. See, the report, I cannot say whether it's a corruption or not. There is two things in this. One thing is that the CAG is report what is this council need to done to streamline the management of the financial system, be in the keeping of book of account or recording of expenditure or anything. So, and also the report of the CAG also impressed upon this council. They have to have a mechanism where to generate their own resources, so on and so forth. It is not the particular report into that particular area. It is the report in itself is general. So, but when they submit that report, so when they finish the report, so that is, if there is anything, then only I can say. But as of now, I cannot say that, because there is, I can presume that there is anything beyond that until unless they finish the full audit of their own report. See, I have not seen the content of the letter of the Honorable Governor, but we from the state government, as soon as we get the letter from CAG, so I have called a meeting with the three councils on the 10th of May 2022, where from the state government we have told that all the three councils that whatever the CAG have mentioned, they should reply, and the reply and send also the copy to us, so that we from the state government also should be aware of all of that reply which they have given to the CAG. But till date, while I speak, we have not got any communication. So, but this council, they have to comply to whatever it is reported. See, this is a very serious matter. So they should understand by themselves and submit as early as possible, because this is an account of this council, and if they could not submit in time, it may affect the flow of fund to this council in future. See, the report of the CAG is in respect of 2009, 10 and 11, but when that day, when I inquired from this council, they told that most of the record till 2019 they have submitted. But as I said, I don't know, since they never send the report to the state government, I cannot say till which year. But the CAG report mentioned clearly about 2019.